We provide conservation education for our kids through visits to the zoo and outreach to schools. We provide a natural place for families to come for recreation, to spend time together, disconnected from electronic media. And we're an economic driver for our region. We drive 550,000 plus guests here annually, and that has an economic impact for all of us. The effect of this package for the zoo and for Tulsa in the future will be huge for us. We currently generate $28 million for the economy annually from our operations, and that will grow to $75 million for the economy by the end of the master plan. The new standard of exhibitry and zoos is a higher standard than we currently have at the Tulsa Zoo. And a master plan in the 100 million to 200 million range for 10 to 20 years is the average. That's what it costs today to build the exhibits that we're talking about. And that's really because we no longer provide for our animals a concrete slab and a chain link fence. We're talking about immersive exhibits, naturalistic habitats, better for the animal and better for the guest. The specific funding in this project, in this package, will be $11.75 million for the Tulsa Zoo. $3.75 million of that is for the Lost Kingdom exhibit complex, and that exhibit's going to feature tigers, snow leopards, binturong, red panda, Chinese alligator, a lot of really cool animals at the Tulsa Zoo, and it's a brand new exhibit. It's not a renovation of a current one. And $8 million will build a new carnivore exhibit. In terms of Tulsa's future, the funding of the zoo will help us increase our economic impact. When businesses, for example, look for a place to have a base of operations or to have another division headquarters, they look at the quality of life of that community, and the zoo plays a big part in that.
I think it's important that we invest in our city, and that takes all of us together. So it takes citizens, it takes the zoo doing their part, and we need this asset. We want the best for our kiddos, and this is a great learning tool.